In a major reprieve to all the protesting doctors who have been agitating their cause, the Supreme Court has given its nod for the NEET counselling to commence. What the Supreme Court has today said in its operative part is this, that while it is allowing the NEET PG and UG counselling this year with 27% OBC and 10% EWS reservation with criteria as notified by the government earlier to continue, it is also keeping the larger debate on the issue of the constitutional viability of this income criteria carved out by the government to be adjudicated upon at a later date in March 2022. However, with the Supreme Court's nod, this comes as a reprieve and a relief for all the protesting doctors across various forums who had been agitating their cause on the issue. And the Supreme Court has also today said that the EWS criteria's final constitutional validity check will be adjudicated in the third week of March 2022. This was something which was anxiously awaited because viewers will recall it was only yesterday that the Supreme Court had also passed an observation saying that this was an issue which was hugely critical given the ground situation in the midst of the Omicron spread and spike, and how it was necessary for the Supreme Court's nod to come by for the counselling process to begin. Supreme Court was very well cognizant of this, because of which voluminous arguments on this issue were advanced and concluded by the top court yesterday itself. And just today morning at around 10:30, the bench convened and passed its orders on the same, which comes as a reprieve to all the protesting doctors who were agitating their cause across various forums. And the Supreme Court's nod this time has given the go-ahead for the counselling process to begin. The criteria, the income criteria as set by the government of 8 lakhs will stay for this time around, but the final constitutional validity check debate will continue in March 2022, when the Supreme Court will adjudicate upon the issue further and in greater detail. But the big news at this juncture has been the nod that the top court has given for the commencement of the counselling process to begin, given the fact that India is in the midst of this Omicron spike and spread. This was the issue the top court was taking very, very seriously.